Hi, my name's Greg. This is my wife, Gina. We're new homeowners. We bought this house about a year ago, a little more than a year ago, and we started with our backyard, and this is it. So we were getting ready for our wedding last year, and I had broken my leg, and so I had some time off of work, and we decided to, with everything going on with COVID, we wanted to do the wedding in our backyard, which gave us some freedom. So we had a deadline, about 9 months to get it done, and we just started working on it. So that was the motivation for getting it all done in a quick period of time. I think the big thing is we wanted a fire pit was our number one priority. We always like having backyard fires at night with friends, so that was our number one priority. And then just, I think, more patio space, kind of a cleaner looking yard, and you know, looking neat with the blocks, organizing everything. Yeah, we just used the pamphlets and the designs at the store and kind of spent a lot of time going back and forth between home and RCP to make the right choices. So the delivery was great, the selection was great. And then we also had advice like different designs. We were looking for the front yard with the turf block and other options. So they were great in giving advice on how to use their products and what products go with what. I'd say definitely. I think time was a constraint, trying to get everything done. And then also just learning on the fly. You know, we didn't know what we were doing when we started. A lot of the stuff we ended up putting it down a couple times just to make sure it fit right. But with that, it was fun. It was fun to put it all together, and it was good work to do. So definitely challenges along the way, but it turned out great. This is our front yard in Santee. We use a lot of RCP product for the front yard, including the Country Manor block, Catalan pavers back here. And then we also used Imperial Pebble and turf block on this side to make a little hidden driveway. This is our paver patio we installed. It's Catalan Sky Ranch from RCP. We did this as a partial overlay over an existing patio, as well as a new paver patio on that side. Just opened up our yard space and made for a good seating area. This is our Country Manor fire pit. We ran a gas line to it as well, so we were able to have a gas fire. This took a lot of time. We took designs from a Country Manor bench and basically did 2 benches and combined them together to make the fire pit here. On the RCP website, there's also designs for the actual fire pit itself. You can do different sizes. We decided to go with the large one so we could fit a lot of family and friends around it. Yeah, we would definitely recommend RCP for any homeowners and any projects. Just because the amount of selection out there, the helpfulness of the employees, and then especially for Santee, how local it is, it's a great place to go to for quick service.